Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this RIMOWA Amenity kit case. This is only the case. This is from EVA Air Premium or Laurel First Class or VIP. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Before I got this, and then it has some kind of amenity inside. So this time around, my mom got it from the relatives. Since I could resell this for $29.99, and some other sellers are selling higher. You know, last time they have a collaboration with the Supreme for the suitcases. It was so expensive, like $1,000 plus or more, depends what size is the liter. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I don't even know what color it looks like. A green color. Let me see. See, this one is the, I guess it's dark green color, and that one is like an olive. So this is the RIMOWA, and you got the EVA Air logo right there. This is a nice case. Maybe I should give one to my son. And then just slap on the Supreme sticker. Let's see. Maybe I should customize it. So let's go and then it comes with this two zippers. There's a RIMOWA on the pull tab. This is like a metal. Oh my god, yes, stuff inside. I thought my mom said it was empty. Even better. Wow. I'm not sure what's this, and I don't want to open it and come and use. HARNN. This is Bali Solidify. Let's see. I'm not sure there's an expiration date on that, but wow. And there's another tube right here. What is this? Some kind of treatment. Ultra lip treatment. So it's like a lip balm. And then got the EVA Air, HARNN, Harn. So this is like a bookshare. Oh, they even give you, I guess, socks, non-slip socks. Nice. So if you fly like a VIP, you get all this stuff for free, and this is like a mask to cover your eyes in case that's too bright inside the airplane. What is this? Some kind of elastic stuff. What? Kind of confused. Is this for the hair net? Hair net? Wow. So this is like a comb or like a. Oh, I see. I don't want to open. This is the foldable brush. Okay. And you have the Colgate toothpaste proven cavity protection. I'm not even sure it's expired or not. And they come with the two brush. And then there's another pamphlet inside. See, it shows a suitcase. I think that was the one that was collaborated with the Supreme. Yeah. It was like pretty expensive. Wow, look at that. It's like a whole collection of it. It is a carbonate, polycarbonate. So this is like a different languages. Pretty cool. So this one is basically it's the same, but this is like a olive color. This is like a dark kind of greenish. So I'm not even gonna open this one right now because I'm just gonna sell it like that. Factory sealed. The item inside might be different, so alright. Let's see, there's like a two of the mesh netting. And you see like a RIMOWA logo or brand over there by the inner fabric. It's all around the corner too, on the side, the flap. They should make this like a mini suitcase with the wheels. That would be cool. So I'm not sure what's this one for. Is it like a headband or what is that? I'm not sure. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments below. Alright, if you guys have any special requests or anything, I'll try to fulfill it if I can. Alright. So this is nice polycarbonate material. Normally polycarbonate material is like unbreakable, but it's pretty strong. But I'm pretty sure it's still gonna break. Depends on how bad its impact. But for this kind of case, you're not gonna break it. I mean, probably drop from like 3 feet or 4 feet. It's not gonna damage that much. Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.